नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं टाइम्स न्यूज और मैं हूं आपके साथ छवि। भाजपा महिला मोर्चा की राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष वथानी श्रीनिवासन ने रविवार को इंदौर में मीडिया से चर्चा की और इंदौर शहर की स्वच्छता की तारीफ की, साथ ही देश के कई मुद्दों पर बेबाकी से जवाब भी दिया। दरअसल अखिल भारतीय महिला समन्वय समिति की राष्ट्रीय बैठक में भाग लेने आई महिला मोर्चा की राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष वथानी श्रीनिवासन ने रविवार को भाजपा कार्यालय पर मीडिया से चर्चा की। मीडिया से चर्चा करने में श्रीनिवासन को स्पष्ट हिंदी न बोल पाने के कारण समस्या हुई, लेकिन उन्होंने बेबाकी से मीडिया के सवालों के जवाब दिए। श्रीनिवासन ने कहा कि इंदौर के निवासियों का ही जज्बा है, जिसके कारण आज स्वच्छता में 4 बार सफलता हासिल कर चुका है। वहीं उन्होंने शहर को स्वच्छ बनाने के लिए इंदौर के नागरिकों का अभिवादन किया। श्रीनिवासन ने कहा कि महिलाओं के कार्यक्रम में शामिल होने आई हूं, जिसमें महिला मोर्चा की भागीदारी है। उन्होंने कहा कि केंद्र की भाजपा नीति सरकार ने तय किया है कि महिलाओं के लिए उत्थान के लिए विशेष कार्यक्रम चलाए जाएं। देश के प्रधानमंत्री मोदी खुद इन कार्यक्रमों का समय समय पर निरीक्षण करते रहते हैं। श्रीनिवासन ने मोदी सरकार की तारीफ करते हुए कहा है कि मोदी सरकार में भारत की महिलाओं को कई सुविधाएं मिली हैं। महिलाएं भी आज पुरुषों के बराबर खड़ी हैं। केंद्र सरकार में महिलाओं के जो बैंक खाते खोले हैं, जो रिकॉर्ड बन चुका है। उज्ज्वला योजना हो या अन्य कई योजनाओं से महिलाओं को सुदृढ़ बनाया गया है। यही नहीं, कोविड के दौर में भी महिलाओं को कई सुविधाएं दी गई हैं। अनाज हो या परिवारों को चलाने की अन्य सुविधाएं केंद्र और राज्य सरकार ने सभी उपलब्ध कराया है। हिंदी न बोल पाने के प्रश्न पर उन्होंने भाजपा को धन्यवाद देते हुए कहा है कि एक पार्टी के शीर्ष नेतृत्व में एक दक्षिण भारतीय महिला को पार्टी का अध्यक्ष बनाया, लेकिन हिंदी ठीक से न बोल पाने के कारण पार्टी की अन्य महिला कार्यकर्ता सहयोग करती रहीं। श्रीनिवासन ने अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मुद्दे पर चर्चा करते हुए कहा कि अफगानिस्तान में फैले आतंक के बीच महिला और बच्चों के अधिकारों पर कोई भी देश बात नहीं करता, लेकिन भारत ने अपनी तरफ से सभी तरह से सभी भारतीय नागरिकों की मदद करने के लिए पूरे प्रयास किए हैं।
Sorry for the delay of 30 minutes. First, I would like to congratulate the Indore city people through this media for keeping your city so clean. Continuously, Indore city is backing the first place as India's cleanest city. I have come here to attend one of the organization meeting, and after the press conference we are going to have our state office bearers meeting of Mahila Morcha. Organizationally in Madhya Pradesh, Mahila Morcha is having a very strong base, and from booth level to state level in all the responsibilities, Mahila Morcha is playing a very important role in bringing a lot of women into the organization fold. Apart from that, we call this administration, both central and state, as a double engine government. Whatever in Delhi the central government decides, the state government in its full vigor, taking all the schemes and programs of Honorable Prime Minister. In addition to that, the state government here is also adding some special programs for women, and they are implementing in a very proper and a structured way. The first and foremost thing of Mahila Morcha is to connect with the beneficiaries of Honorable Prime Minister's schemes and programs. After 2014, central government headed by our Honorable Prime Minister, whatever the program or the schemes that they are announcing, the empowerment of women, giving space for women minister in his cabinet, and expanding the space for women in all spheres of life. We call it as an inclusive growth. In independent India, crores of women within a short span of time are getting their bank accounts opened. In independent India, crores of toilets are being constructed. We cannot see this, that toilets are only a matter of a convenience. It is more than that, it is a primary step of empowerment. And under Ujjwala Yojana or Awas Yojana, whatever the scheme that he is announcing, yes, of course, I agree with that. Because of the increase of the cylinder price, little bit of extra amount has to be paid. But on return to that, and also I am bringing to your attention, taking care of the minimum family needs, the government is supporting. That's why I am telling the example of when under the challenging period, whatever the difficulties the individual is facing, the government is also facing that. That's why we are explaining to the people. It is a temporary situation. Madam, it is not only the cylinders, even the petrol, diesel. There are various questions that are facing. Fine. Already our Honorable Finance Minister has answered for that. About how the Congress government has given the bonds, and because of that the oil companies has to repay that amount. And apart from that, of course, more than 80% of the oil is being imported by us. When a particular product is not from our country, of course, because of the global situation, the pandemic situation has not only crippled the families, it is also applicable the same situation for the government also. Now, during the COVID situation, the government has to take care of its citizen by way of giving food subsidy, free distribution of food, grains, then take care of the industry section. So for quite some time, how we are balancing the family during the COVID situation, the government has to balance. And about the road and as far as crime against women is concerned, we have zero tolerance for women. Zero tolerance for the crime against women. Whoever behind the crime, the person will be bring before the law, and the government, both at the center and the state level, law and order situation comes under the state subject. The government at any time or any way would not taking the situation of favoring somebody or shielding some accused. Whoever commits a crime, they will be dealt with accordance with the law. We have no hesitation saying that, yes, the government, whenever it is being brought to the knowledge of the government, immediately they are taking action. So whoever got a loan amount in the nationalized bank, without adding any collateral security, 10% of their loan amount is being automatically credited in their account. By way of that, the MSME sector entrepreneurs, they got the amount to keep sustain their businesses or the trades or any manufacturing sector activities. So our topmost priority always the women welfare and their safety, more than that their empowerment. Social security schemes are there. By paying a minimum amount for their insurance, whether it is 12 rupees per month for an accident insurance or 330 rupees per year for their life insurance. So Madhya Pradesh Mahila Morcha is also taking various initiatives of taking.
उसमें से रिफिल कितने में ये कभी आपने जानने की कोशिश नहीं की कि आपने बोले 8 करोड़ आपने बांट दिए, उसमें से 80% पैसे चूल्हे पे आ गए, क्योंकि 900 रुपये का गैस सिलेंडर खरीदने की.
Very important. We cannot stop all those projects in between for want of money. One way the project has to be continued, and on the other hand, the welfare of the citizens also to be taken care. I think the people will understand the situation.
टाइम न्यूज देखिए अब आपके मोबाइल और स्मार्ट टीवी पर लाइव प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करें टाइम स्मार्ट टीवी ऐप।